troopers of our law to be standing here and actually talking about our movie. It's our pleasure to be here today at Vivid and sharing with these students the premise of our film, and I'm sure they will completely get what my character Anuradha Verma is going through during her entire experience in Jazba, because even though she's put through a very challenging situation personally, she still has to go out there and do her job to her optimum when she's out there fighting the case of the defendant. So, which isn't the most hunky-dory situation to be in at all, but you have to be there literally all full barrel and putting out your best, because that's what really the battlefield of the lawyers is. You have to go out there and the objective is to win your case and to practice law. There's nothing called the right law or the wrong law. You actually refer to the books of law and fight your case. And as I was saying, that's the brief Sanjay gave me, even if at times, say me, as the character or as the actor, as the mother would want to, Sanjay constantly reiterated that at this point in time, you're a lawyer out there to win your case, and you do all that it takes to do just that, because that's the mission you've professionally taken on, and that's what Anuradha Verma is as a lawyer. She's always been a winner, someone who's also constantly been the defendant of the wrongdoers, but at that point in time, like she tells the prosecutor, that she's not out there to necessarily release the wrongdoers of society, but then she tells the prosecutor, just fight a stronger case and don't let me win, so that, you know, we can then put these guys behind bars. But if you're not going to fight a strong enough case, then I'm going to win letting this guy out. So that's a very interesting approach, and you recognize that that's what these lawyers are going to be doing.
Right.
Deal with the good, the bad, the ugly, right? That's what you're going to have to do. But deal with the good more. That's Aishwarya talking, not Anuradha Verma.
Hi, this is...
Look, on a lighter note, she's asking me what happens at home in an argument between me and my spouse, Abhishek. We ain't lawyers, we are just a couple having a discussion. It's never called an argument, it's called a healthy discussion.
Hi, Aishwarya.
Do you really think the husband ever wins?
Okay, hi. Aishwarya, this is Zico from the Indian Express. Hi, Sanjay.
Hi.
So, you've had a gap since you did your last film, and there's been a, I believe, huge sort of growth in life experience, because you've been a mother and sort of raised her for about a year or so. So, that life experience, how much difference has that made when you played the character, as compared to the last time when you played Zico?
Hi Zico, I got asked a very interesting question, and no offense, but I'll tell you how he asked me. So he said, so there's been a huge gap since you last faced the camera, you know, raising your daughter for a year or so. Interesting. My daughter is going to turn, she's 3.5 plus, she's 3 years, 10 months. So I didn't raise her just for a year. It's been a while, you're right. But interestingly, the way you just put it, because you're obviously assuming it's just been a year, likewise for us as new mothers, we have no concept of the way time flies. You know, you're multitasking on another level, and you all will get that here as students. You know, when you're sitting and dealing with your everyday life, with festivals, with your studies, with your submissions, with exams, there are so many things that you're dealing with on a daily basis that time just flies you by. And normally we try and say that that's a good thing. So working on this subject was definitely, while you say yes, I was enriched with the experience of being a mother. That's what probably made me bring a lot of integrity and truth also to the way I've essayed Anuradha. Because, you know, as actors, you don't necessarily constantly refer to real life experiences, but as an artist, experience is the greatest teacher. So you will otherwise be referencing, you'll be picking up from somebody else's life, you'll be picking up from impressions of, very often we don't realize it, but you are so impressed upon by the cinema you have viewed. That's the kind of subconscious imaging with which you also come to set. but actually having become a mother was perfect for a script like this, because there's a lot of truth to nuancing that you can bring in terms of any dramatic moment, what degree of of truth you can bring to that sense of drama without necessarily being overt, and yet being all there, all heart, every pulse, every cell of your body actually committed to that moment. It does, experience does bring a lot of honesty.
All right, we don't. I'm sorry.
Which there's only to increase, nothing to reduce. So,
I'm going to ask the question that he asked. So he said, Sanjay, you have constantly worked with a lot more male leads in the past, a lot more, as the word I use, testosterone infused cinema. So he said, now that you've worked with a subject that does have very strong female protagonists, and that's both, there's me, there's Shabana ji, of course, even Irfan is exceedingly strong. When you see the movie, you will know all characters are very integral to the narrative. But he asked Sanjay, now that you have so many female protagonists also in this film, what did you have to possibly change or reduce? I corrected him right there that nothing needs to be reduced just because there are females in a film. You stand corrected right there. But now Sanjay can answer your question.
well, I've been known to do films with Sanju, John, and the other guys, but she's in no way less. Was right here, so nothing. I didn't have to really do anything tremendously different or dramatic. As a matter of fact, life was sorted because when the guys come on set, they don't come with the kind of homework. They don't come with the what's the right word? With the discipline. Simple discipline. Yes. So yes, I mean it's actually easier this way.
all right. I think that's all the time we have for questions.
We'll continue. We are meeting. Ha, bolo.
All right. That's all we have time for.